Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino, back again. Well, it's my first post-market wrap-up of the week, and we'll see where this goes. I really don't even know, because again, I don't rehearse any of this. I just sit here as soon as that closing bell goes off, and I just start, whatever comes out of my mouth. Monday, October 8th, 2018. So here's a story. Right now, if you were to turn on the confederacy of the biggest dunces who have ever walked on this planet, you know who I'm referring to. They're going to tell you to be looking right here. Right here is the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which did finish up about 40 points after being down over 220 points. However, those that dwell among the C.O.D, they do not want you to even think about looking at, let's see, the broader market, the S&P 500. Well, why would they not want you to look there? Because it finished in the negative. How about the NASDAQ? No, don't look there either, because that finished in the negative. How about the Russell 2000? No. Don't look there either. Because why? Exactly. It finished in the negative. But look at the Dow. Let's look at the Dow. This is why I get so angry at these people. They're spin doctors. You want to talk about spin doctors? How many of you can put up your hand with this one. I'm not going to yell at you. Put your hand up. Okay. How many of you remember for the past X amount of years, 3, 4 years, when they had expert after expert after expert paraded out on their lovely show explaining that, oh yes, when bonds rise, as long as they're rising for the right reasons, for example, like an economic boom, stocks are going to go right up with them. But now, today, their tone has kind of changed a little bit. They're actually talking about a pivot point. Well, hold on a second. Bonds seem to be putting pressure on the market. So look, they can't get their story straight. And I would love to hear from one of the, multiple experts that they've paraded out over the X amount of years, telling us that, well, if the economy is really strong and rates are rising, stocks are going to go right up. Imbeciles, morons, idiots, and ignoramuses. Anyway, look, that's the story here. It's just so simple to understand. Again, are we in an economic boom? I think not. That's the case, but that's what we're being fist-fed. It's always the same story. And again, we are in a trade war. More propaganda. You have to have the propaganda. All warfare is based on deception. You know that. I've explained this to you. Okay. So the story today was, again, the dollar. Let's talk about the dollar real quick. When I did my video this morning, I explained to you that the dollar was up very strongly. The Dixie was up 0.4%. By the end of the day, the Dixie was only up 0.14%. Now you can see right in front of your face the effect of the dollar on the markets. Again, from being down 223, the Dow, the other indices were down lower too. Let's give the C.O.D that. And then dollar starts to get weaker here. Boom, up goes stocks, especially, well, maybe even a little suspiciously, but you make up your own mind, the financials. Look, why would, let's say, the Federal Reserve choose to prop up the financials? Because the financial sector, as you all know, who follow this blog, is the largest sector of them all. So if they can prop up the financials, other things are going to follow. It's just so simple. It's such a rigged game that it's laughable, because you sit there and you watch it and you go, oh my God, look at this. Look at what they're doing. I laugh. On this side of the floor, I'm laughing my freaking rear end off. On this side, I'm laughing and rooting and grasping and have a positive Babinski reflex over here for you medical people. I don't know, it's crazy. Anyway, so that's the distraction. Look here. Don't look at here, 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 or here. Only look here. This is the C.O.D for you. The C.O.D. Let's make up a C.O.D song. How would that even go? We are the C.O.D. We're a bunch of idiots. We try to mislead you day and night. I don't know. That sucked. Didn't that really suck? Anyway, I am more than certain that one of you out here can do a nice C.O.D song. Anyway, I'd love to hear it. So here's the story for tomorrow. Tomorrow, the bond market re-enters. And we're going to see. We are going to see what happens. If the bond market continues to sell off, or if they don't prop it up somehow, this market's in trouble. Especially if the dollar gets stronger. You know that. It's so simple. It's going to be wild. Let me tell you. All right, look. In 4 lovely hours from now, I will be doing a live segment where I'm going to do a Q&A. I'm looking forward to that. I really am. So it is now, as I am looking here, it is 1:10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 5 Pacific Standard Time, from 5 to 5:30, I will do a little Q&A section for you. Be lots of fun. And we'll see what happens over there at that point. Anyway, think about what you might want to ask. And like I said, I'm going to pick through the questions. There's going to be hundreds upon hundreds of them, I guarantee. Unfortunately, I can't answer them all, but I'll pick through them. And we're going to have fun, and freaking fun. See you at 5.